All right, here we go. This is my 2009 iMac, and I'm trying to replace the hard drive with an SSD. So here's the SSD right here, which I've put into a little holder. Here's the old hard drive. This thing weighs about 5 pounds, and it's an ogre. I ended up dropping this thing on my foot accidentally, but anyway, the hard drive went in like this. It had a little tit thing there, and it went into that bracket right about there, like that. And then it rode pretty much on this bracket. So all I've done was unbolted the hard drive from the bracket, and the bracket is only like a one-sided ordeal. And then I had this old bracket plastic thing lying around that I was able to put the SSD into, like that. And it doesn't fit properly, but I don't care. I'm tired of working on this thing, so I got a screw to go in there. That screw broke, and I put a tie wrap in there. I'm going to put a tie wrap on top of it, right about here. A tie wrap onto that hole right there, onto that hole. I'm going to pull it down, and I'm going to plug it in and call it good. So this is my adventure. The only real bummer of this whole thing, and I didn't want to take all these cables off, so it's propped up, and you don't have to take all the cables off. This vertical sync cable is a real bummer. You supposedly just pull this cable out, and so much for this iPhone focusing. And I did pull it out, but as you can see or not see, this phone sucks. Okay, I did lose a little bit of copper there, so I may want to trim this cable back a little bit, and hopefully it'll work. So I'd hate to have to go through all this trouble, and I broke this damn cable. So that's about it, folks. This isn't a very pleasant job, but this thing is so slow with this old, ugly hard drive that weighs 5 pounds. It makes so much noise that it was time for this hard drive to take a hike. So there's the Apple on it. It's going to go in the trash. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.